We all want to feel like we belong. Did you know that 76% of internet users are part of some sort of online community? That's why it's so important for your brand to create a space where people can connect and engage. A strong community can turn members into brand ambassadors that promote your business and provide you with valuable insights. But where do you even start? Well, that's where Drupal can help. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Here at lvlab.it, we specialize in Drupal Web Development, and today we're going to look at how Drupal can help you build a great online community. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Now, to start building your online community, you'll need to make use of 5 modules on the Drupal platform. The first one is the Profile module. This gives your users a My Account and My Profile link, which lets them start connecting with each other. You can also assign roles and permissions to users with Drupal to specify what content they can access on your site. This feature is perfect for subscription-based membership systems. Number 2 is the Group module. This allows your users and administrators to create social groups with specific roles and permissions. You can also install additional modules alongside Group to suit the mechanics of your site. But what if your users want to take it a step further and categorize their relationships, like on Facebook? Well, this is possible with Drupal's User Relationships module, which allows administrators and users to set one-way or mutual relationships with each other. Number 4 is the Invite module. This lets your users invite their friends, family, and colleagues to the community. You can even track these invites. This is a great way to take advantage of word-of-mouth marketing to build your network. And finally, as well as socializing through statuses and comment threads, your users might want to talk to each other via chats. With the Drupal Chat module, users can communicate through one-on-one or group chats, which can be made public or private. The module even includes features such as emojis and message notifications. Building an online community can be tough. It takes time, effort, and patience. But Drupal makes the whole process so much easier. With just these 5 main modules, you can set up your very first online community and start giving your customers something to really talk about. From here, we suggest focusing on developing a strategy, creating engaging content, and fostering a safe and welcoming environment for users. It's also worth drawing up some goals and metrics to measure your success. Anyway, we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or even suggestions, well, feel free to contact us using the information in the description below. And if you want to learn more about web development, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. You can also visit our website, lvlab.it, for more information. Thanks for watching.